morning, children. Now we are going to do a lesson number 2, honeycomb. Okay, page number 18, 19 and 20, video 1. This is your video 1. PDF is not there. એમાં PDF નથી, so don't wait. Read the lesson again and again. Because it's a very lengthy, બહુ મોટો lesson છે. So I will make 3 parts of it. એના 3 ભાગ કરશું. Okay? See. A gift of chappals. Smiling Rukumani threw open the door. A smiling Rukumani. Rukumani is name of some girl. She is opening the door and smiling. Ravi and Meena rushed out. And Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. Ravi and Meena, they rushed out of the house. And Mridu is another one. To her they kept and put her inside. Wait, let me take off my slippers, protested Mridu. Mridu said, wait, I want to take off my slippers. Slippers there, okay? She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. Now black chappals were there. Near that she put her chappals in a line. How do you keep your chappals? તમે કેવી રીતે રાખો? ઘરે જાઓ એટલે shoes કેમ રાખો? When you throw here, other you throw there, એવું કરો છો? કે no, like good children, you have to keep your things in a line. બધું લાઈનમાં રાખવાનું. Bag, shoes, socks, chappals, હે ને? તો મમ્મીને કામ ઓછું થાય ને? Now see. Those were grey actually with dust. The large black chappals were there, but they had become grey. Grey થઈ ગયા. Why? Because there was dust on it. You could see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slipper. Now when we wear slipper, તો આપણા પગના marks આવી જાય ને, toes ના. Now the marks for the 2 big toes were long and scrawny. Scrawny means thin, patara, very long. Mridu didn't have much time to wonder about. She didn't have time. What is this? She didn't want to see whose slippers they were, because Ravi dragged her to the background. Ravi dragged her. Dragged એટલે ખેંચી ગયો. Where? Background. Behind a thick bitter berry bush. There inside a torn football. Football was there. Football જોયો છે ને? Torn. Torn means ફાટેલો. Lined with sacking and filled with sand. And under sack એટલે ગુણી. કોથળા નાખ્યા છે. And sand. Lay a very small kitten. નાની kitten છે. Baby cat. Lapping up milk from a coconut half shell. Coconut, નાળિયેરનો half હોય ને, in that they put milk, and that kitten is licking it. Licking એટલે ચાટે છે દૂધને, okay, પીએ છે. See, lapping. We found him outside the gate this morning. We found the kitten outside the gate. Gate ની બહારે હતો. He was mewing and mewing, poor thing, meow કરે છે, okay? So I said, Meena, it is a secret. કે secret છે આપણી, હા? Amma says, Patti will leave for our Paddu Mama's house if she knows we have a cat. Now Patti એટલે grandmother, કે નાની માને ખબર પડશે if we are having a cat, then she will go away. People are always telling us to be kind to animals. People say, be kind to animals, animals को ध्यान रखो. But when we are, they scream. And when we are good to animals, they scream. ये केवू? Oh, don't bring that dirty creature here, said Ravi. Ravi is telling, no, don't bring that dirty creature inside. Do you know how hard it is just to get a little milk from the kitchen? From kitchen they have to bring milk. રસોડામાંથી મિલ્ક લાવવાનું for the baby kitten, baby cat. Sorry. Patti saw me with a glass in my hand just now. Patti એટલે એની grandmother, દાદી કે નાની. I told her I'm very hungry કે I'm very hungry મને ભૂખ લાગી છે. I want to drink it. એમ તો કહેવાય નહીં કે I want to take it for the kitten. But the way she looked at me, I had to drink most of it. Then that grandmother is looking, okay, drink. So he had to drink most of it to throw her off the scent. That means so she should not know. There લોકોની secret છે ને, that's why. Then she wanted the tumbler back. કે tumbler પાછું આપો. Pati, I'll wash it myself. Why should I put you to trouble? He said, Nani ma, I will wash it. Huh? I told her I had to run and pour the. Yeah. Now this will be your last page for today. Milk into this coconut shell and then run back and wash the tumbler. Just fast I ran, put the milk in the this shell, and then again I have to go and wash the tumbler and put it back before she got really suspicious. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendran. એનું નામ શું રાખ્યું છે કિટનનું? Mahendran. Okay, Mahendran. This little kitty's name is Mahendran. Mridu was impressed. It was a real name, not just a cute kitty cat name. Cat જેવું name નથી. It is a very nice name. Actually, her full name is Mahendram Pallava Punai, MP Punai for short, if you like. He is a fine breed of cat. Good cat family નું છે. Just look at her fur, his fur એટલે એની hair, રૂવાટા. They are very nice કે છે. Like a lion's mane, કે lion ની કેવી હોય? Mane, it is like that. And you know what the emblem of the ancient Pallava kings was, don't you? Pallava king હતા એ લોકોનું શું હતું emblem? He looked expectantly at Mridu. Mridu સામે જોઈ છે. Mridu giggled. Giggled એટલે ખીખી કરે છે. Okay? Not laughing loudly. Think I'm joking? Well, just wait. I'll show you sometime. It's clear you don't know a thing about history. You don't know anything about history, so you are laughing. Haven't been to Mahabalipuram? Have you? He said mysteriously. Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his Thathas. Now what is Thathas? એટલે grandfather. Okay? Etc. Fact is, Mahendran here is descended from that very same ancient cat, a close relative, scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion. Lion relative. The Pallava lion, emblem of the Pallava dynasty. Ravi went on walking around the beetle-berry bush, waving a twig up and down. હાથમાં twig છે, ઊંચી નીચી કરે છે. Okay? His eyes sparkling, આંખો shine થાય છે. And this cat is a descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. Rishiની cat છે. And if I may just remind you, they worshipped cats in ancient Egypt. Egyptમાં તો cats ની પૂજા કરતા, worship. Now children, I am not giving you any other homework. Only you can copy down these meanings લખી લેજો and start learning, okay? And in next period I'll teach you further video 2 from here, okay? Bye everybody.